Batam is strategic island. Its strategic location close to Singapore and Malaysia will certainly assist Batam to get local and overseas investors. The island has undergone significant transformation in its industrial zone, education and tourism sector. Batam also has a good land, air and sea transportation infrastructure, bringing nearly 1,200,000 domestic and international tourists every year. Sekupang Port, located on the eastern side of Batam Island, provide an international ferry terminal with a good infrastructure for tourists and others coming by sea. Presently, Sekupang International Ferry Terminal handle around 15,000 tourists every week. There are 4 different ferry transportation service companies that provide departure and arrival every 50 minutes, deploying 32 vessels. Advantage and support services. The access route to ferry terminal is nice and beautiful. Management secure parking with international standard. The parking lot can accommodate 400 vehicle and motorcycle. There are parking area for 25 buses. Police station is nearby and 24-hour surveillance camera. Centrality ATM machine. Various ferry ticket sales counter available for Pacific, Sindo, Batam Fast and Wavemaster. Cozy and large waiting room available. Free internet and Wi-Fi. Cafeteria, restaurant and mini market is available. Souvenir shop and money changer. CIQP services. Immigration check for a passenger and smart card. Counter BNP 2 TKI, one-stop service TKI facility. Information counter for a passenger service. Executive lounge with a VVIP room service. Playground and nursing mother rooms is available. Prayer room or musola. Smoking room with the ocean view and of course a clean restroom. Space for advertising in ATC. Porter and taxi service. Sekupang Port is not just a ferry terminal. It's a comfortable, welcoming and friendly place with a various facility. Sekupang Ferry Terminal International, Port of your heart.